It all began with a dream, the dream of building a machine that could think. In the 1940s, British mathematician Alan Turing proposed the idea of a universal machine that could simulate any human computation. By 1950, he asked a now famous question: can machines think? That question laid the foundation for what we now call artificial intelligence. The term artificial intelligence was born in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, led by pioneers like John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky. Their goal? To create machines that could mimic human intelligence. Early programs like The Logic Theorist could solve math problems, while others played basic games like chess. But progress was slow, computers were weak, data was scarce, and promises went unfulfilled. Funding dried up. The field entered periods known as the AI winters, where interest and investment froze. By the 2000s, AI made a comeback. Thanks to the internet, big data, and faster processors, machine learning allowed computers to learn patterns from massive datasets. You saw this in action with things like Gmail's spam filters, Netflix recommendations, and early voice assistants like Siri. AI was no longer rule-based, it could learn. In 2012, a deep learning model called AlexNet stunned the tech world by dominating an image recognition challenge. This sparked the deep learning revolution, where neural networks could now see, hear, and understand the world. Breakthroughs followed. Google Translate became shockingly accurate. Self-driving cars learned to navigate streets, and AI beat humans at games like Go and Dota 2. Then came generative AI, models that don't just analyze data but create new content. Tools like DALL-E created realistic images from text prompts, Codex helped write code from natural language, and Runway and Sora began generating video. AI became a co-creator. One of the most game-changing moments came in late 2022, when OpenAI launched ChatGPT. For the first time, millions of people could interact with AI in a natural, conversational way. Students use ChatGPT to study, summarize, and brainstorm ideas. Programmers use it to debug and generate code. Writers and marketers use it to draft articles, emails, and social media content. Doctors and researchers use it to explore data, generate reports, or even simulate patient dialogues. Behind it all is GPT, the generative pre-trained transformer, one of the most advanced AI architectures ever built. ChatGPT became more than a chatbot, it became an everyday assistant and the public face of AI. It now powers tools in Microsoft Word and Excel, known as Copilot, search engines like Bing, smartphones, cars, and even robots. Now, AI is leaving the screen and entering the physical world. Humanoid robots powered by language models are emerging. Tesla's Optimus can walk, grasp objects, and take verbal commands. Figure 01 can perform warehouse tasks by learning from human demonstrations. Sanctuary AI is training robots to do complex jobs, from stocking shelves to operating tools. These machines are starting to blend physical ability with AI reasoning. We're building robots that can think and act. From a question asked in 1950 to a revolution in 2025, AI has transformed every aspect of our lives. But we now face new questions. Can AI be ethically guided? Can it understand morality? And if robots start making decisions, who holds the responsibility? AI has come a long way from theory to reality, but the most important chapter is still being written by us.